totally normal way to...
If you ever get a chance to meet Jake Gyllenhaal, please tell
actual bodily harm. So they dropped the... Rosemary is still alive. And
a little bit like...
They're both kind of and treat your meals.
She began to perform mostly at the restaurant that they're pretty much.
Yeah.
But she did it better.
Clothes?
Oh, we'll get conservative values for sure. Her show suits, hats, and flawless. Very, very spooky.
I know. Or the patience.
Thank you. Hired, and also we need all the bank statements. Everything.
Right.
And she was like, no.
Maybe they can, but like someone is going to be appointed to that.
Which means that it could have didn't you, Rose?
Be like one of your
Flavor to the grape. And if you remember from previous episodes, it
learned that in research for my dissertation. But yeah, so I'm kind of talking, well, for my introduction, I'm kind of talking about like the culture that the interest, that the topic of like this female perpetrated crime, and particularly any sort of like violent.
Fridson and Hershey's. They did a study and they
Certain lifestyle choices.
right.
Yeah.
So there of all the factors.
Like I have. They hide a multitude of sins in the audit department. All right. Hi,
Tanya.
Just
Allison Janney is a fucking treasure. Yeah.
Grim.
That is the strongest reaction.
Yes, Duchess. Yeah. Oh, Countess. You're not gonna like her. For free for at least half of the week, and only then could they on at 25.
I'm searching for a night serum, you guys.
Yeah, what?
Beatings so severe that she would break victims' bones.
Good God.
Anyway, so she was solitary confinement.
Do not give this woman a stick. Like, that's common sense.
I mean, that sounds heavenly. A room with a window where you can poke passersby with sticks.
I'm down.
Dr. Shiro Nakayama were each sentenced to 4 years.
Wow.
No.
Natural orders too. Trust me on it. You're gonna thank. And if you just keep your hands off this money. Right. So what's the dig?
Retarded.
Big? Yeah. And it means... Yeah. Oh, a big! A big. Yeah. Well, you should have a big. I should have a big, right? Frank did it give me. That's bullshit. You deserve a big.
So much fur on your face, Bean.
What you doing? Market stuff. Well, listen, I really like you too.
I'm not sure it's so okay.
Oh, wait.
You know what? This is all Charlie's fault. None of this would be happening if Dad didn't put him in charge.
Yeah, it's a lot softer than mine. What happened, man? I thought you were...
I'm sick of him getting
Maybe we'll... Okay, we'll see you next Friday, huh? Beauty versus the Beast. Come on, man.
And a riot, so the folk are very quiet when Skimble is about and on the move.
The spooky beach.
Only contestant left.
When I was curled up by the fire, and I've sometimes been hurt by the fire.
What direction? Fuck me. Oh god. Oh. Alright. We'll count it. Okay. She's a queen. She's
Some caviar, oh, Strasbourg pie, some potted grouse, or I ask different kind of, I call it limits.
Limits?
Like 3 or so. I thought I was 3 when they got divorced, but then I was watching her behind the music and she was like, I got divorced right out that head. Yeah, how do you deal with the media? Yeah. Here's an example. I'd far rather be an Andy Kaufman than
For people who don't really understand what this is. I thought it was.
You know, the fact of the matter is that we actually do have a pretty good understanding of bipolar disorder.
okay.
Well, and it's a very, very chemically based disorder.
Tell me more.
It's all about bipolar. It's like you gotta have meds, but you should absolutely.
Oh, sure.
if you have been.
And I think we're seeing it also happen in was that the name of the
Let's switch to something positive.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as the 100% good guy, and there's off all these different things. It's like the bravery to place that we as a society are constantly.
Not to the food though, right?
Well.
Oh no,
you-
to
you
fucking
mentioned-
this. I'm just slightly enraged.
Enraged, you say?
I'm always enraged.
Well, here are some tacos!
I'm less
Hey!
enraged.
Less enraged. That's the goal.